Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. A beautifully styled table has the power to transform any meal into a special occasion. Whether you're setting up for a casual brunch, an intimate dinner, or a festive gathering, the right centerpiece and table styling can create a warm, inviting atmosphere. But here's the good news: you don't need to be an expert decorator to achieve a stunning tablescape. In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 easy centerpiece and table styling ideas that will help you create effortlessly chic and welcoming tables, no matter the occasion. From simple floral arrangements to creative seasonal touches, these styling tips will elevate your dining experience while keeping things easy and stress-free. So let's dive in. The classic floral centerpiece, timeless and elegant. Flowers are the heart of any beautiful table setting, and they never go out of style. A simple vase filled with fresh blooms instantly adds charm and sophistication. For a timeless look, stick to 1 or 2 color tones, soft whites and greens for a fresh spring feel, or deep burgundy and blush for a romantic dinner. Want to take it up a notch? Try using unexpected vessels like vintage pitchers, mason jars, or woven baskets for a more unique look. If you want a low-maintenance option, opt for dried flowers or faux floral arrangements that require no upkeep but still look stunning year-round. Candles and ambient lighting, cozy and inviting. Nothing creates a warm, intimate atmosphere quite like candlelight. Arrange pillar candles of varying heights down the center of the table for a dramatic effect, or place small tea lights in decorative holders for a soft, twinkling glow. For a more rustic and relaxed vibe, try placing candles in glass hurricanes, lanterns, or vintage candlesticks. And if you're concerned about safety, battery-operated LED candles provide the same warm effect without the worry of open flames. The minimalist greenery look fresh and modern. For those who love a natural, organic feel, a simple arrangement of greenery is the perfect solution. A garland of eucalyptus or olive branches running down the center of the table adds a fresh, effortless touch. If you prefer a cleaner look, place single stems of greenery in clear glass bottles for a minimalist yet striking effect. This look is perfect for both casual and elegant gatherings, and the best part? Greenery lasts much longer than fresh flowers, so your table will stay beautiful for days. I'd love to know, which of these centerpiece and table styling ideas is your favorite? Do you prefer fresh flowers, candles, or something more seasonal? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new styling tip. Seasonal centerpieces celebrate the time of year. Your table decor can reflect the beauty of each season. For spring and summer, opt for fresh flowers, citrus fruits in decorative bowls, or pastel-toned linens. In autumn, try using mini pumpkins, dried wheat, and warm earthy hues. And for winter, a centerpiece of pine cones, berries, and twinkling fairy lights creates a magical, cozy feel. Switching up your table decor with the seasons keeps things fresh and exciting without requiring a major overhaul every time you entertain. Layered table runners, depth and texture. A single table runner can instantly elevate your table, but layering takes it to the next level. Try placing a gauzy fabric runner over a traditional linen one for a soft, romantic effect. Or mix textures by pairing a woven jute runner with a delicate lace accent. If you love a more casual, effortless look, let the fabric drape off the edges of the table slightly, creating an organic, flowy feel. This small styling trick adds depth and interest to your table while keeping things simple. Personalized place settings, thoughtful and charming. Adding a personal touch to each place setting makes guests feel extra special. Try placing a handwritten name card, a small sprig of herbs, or a single flower on each plate for an elegant touch. For a fun twist, consider tying a small favor or treat, like a wrapped chocolate, a mini jar of honey, or a scented sachet, with a ribbon to each napkin. These thoughtful details add a polished look while making your guests feel welcome. Mix and match dinnerware, eclectic and stylish. Forget the idea that everything has to match perfectly. Mixing and matching different plates, glasses, and cutlery can create a more relaxed yet stylish tablescape. Pairing vintage china with modern dinnerware or using a mix of ceramic, wood, and glass elements adds personality and character to your table. To keep it cohesive, stick to a general color palette or theme. For example, all earthy tones for a rustic look, or varying shades of blue for a coastal-inspired table. The mix of textures and colors will give your table a unique, curated feel. And there you have it, 7 easy centerpiece and table styling ideas that will help you create a stunning and inviting dining space with minimal effort. Whether you love classic florals, soft candlelight, or a modern greenery touch, these simple styling tips will make every meal feel like a special occasion. Remember, table styling isn't about perfection. It's about creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere that reflects your personal style. So don't be afraid to experiment, mix and match, and have fun with your table decor. Which of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with anyone who loves home decor and entertaining. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.